Hey everybody, we are on day 95, if you can believe it. And this is a calendar pull-out or planner tag, and I made it large. It is actually 8.5 inches, and I think I made it 5 or 4.5. But anyway, this is a calendar pull-out tag, and I will show you how I made that. Coming up soon. It's part of 100 Days of Junk Journal tags, and we are almost finished. Please go visit Bexx and see her way of imagining this tag as well. And the instructions are in here and below in the description for today's tag. So let's get in there and see how to make this tag. So we're on day 95, and I'm making a really big tag. We may not need it this size, but I wanted something outstanding, right, for the calendar fold out or planner tag. Now you could do this many ways, but I'm going to show you one fun way. All right. And you can follow everything on the instructions also if you want to. So I'm glued myself to my table. All right. This is my trimmer and a calendar fold out or planner tag. So we're going to use my 2026 mini calendar, and we're going to put it right here. It is 8.5 inches. Okay. So we're going to fold it in half. Now you could score it if you want to. So I'll show you. Just score it right here. And then you're going to turn it and score it again. So you would fold it in half again. Okay. And then, so let me show you. You just fold it in half. And you're going to fold it in half again. And I hope I got my calendar actually correct in the middle, but it's close enough. So all right, then you're going to take your little calendar and spin it around, and I'm making it really big for you, but you wouldn't have to make it this big. And we're going to just score it on the corners, so you could just fold it into a triangle if you don't want to score. So I'm just lining up my corners on the same line. That's why I have that pink 2 line here. Okay, then we're going to fold that. So you're going to fold on your triangles. Now I did make it bigger for demonstration purposes. You would not have to do that. And if you wanted to make a little card to go with it, you know, like if you wanted to make a card and do this for a card instead of a tag or a pocket or whatever, you could definitely do that. So we folded on the two triangles. We folded in half. And then we fold it in half again. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is fold in this part like this on itself. Just like that. Okay. And then you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to fold that middle right there. So you're going to make another big triangle. All right. And then when we glue this down, we've got to glue it down this way. It's going to fold out to be our calendar, right? A fold out. So we're going to put it on here, and we're going to cover this triangle. That's why I made it so big. We're going to cover this triangle with some papers. So I'm just going to take my papers, and probably the easiest way is just to, let's see, which way does it go? It goes this way. So let's do it from this side. Easiest way is just to take your pencil and trace it. Just like that. Just take a little glue. And it's just a little surprise what's behind here. But you could put anything. It wouldn't have to be a calendar. It could be a fun message. Okay. Now I'm going to take my ink and go around here. Now I'm actually not going to do anything on the inside right now, but you could definitely do it. Now the other thing that I want to do before I glue everything down is I've got a tab to pull this open. So we're going to just fold that like that. And then I'm going to actually put my little charm on here. So you want it that way. And then I'm going to take my glue, and I can either glue it around like this, or I can staple it. So I think I'll just glue it. Okay, let's put this back on. Right here. And when you go to open it, it's going to open like that. And you can turn it to its side, well, for mine anyway. And so then all you need to do is embellish it how you want to. Okay, I did a little embellishment on here. I put several butterflies, put the word dream. Here's my pull with my dried flower charm. Put a little charm up here with some yellow ribbon. So when I pull it open, I get my calendar. Isn't that cool? So anyway, little fun tag, a large tag actually, for day 95. A little different than the instructions, but I thought I would do something kind of wild and crazy for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I will talk to you again soon.